Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to purchase using Ggives. First, navigate to the Ggives platform and log into your account. You'll find a wide array of products and services available for purchase. Take your time to browse through the categories or use the search bar to find exactly what you need. This initial step is crucial for a smooth shopping experience. Once you've found an item you wish to purchase, simply click on it to view more details. If it meets your needs, add it to your shopping cart. You can continue browsing and adding multiple items. When ready, access your cart to review all selected products. Ensure quantities and specifications are correct before moving forward. Proceed to checkout from your shopping cart. Here, you will select your preferred payment method from the available options. Carefully enter all required payment information, ensuring accuracy for a successful transaction. After reviewing your order summary one final time, confirm your purchase. You will receive an immediate confirmation of your order. After your purchase is complete, you can easily track its progress. Navigate to your order history section within your Ggives account. Here, you'll find real-time updates on your order's status, from processing to shipping and eventual delivery. You'll also receive notifications, keeping you informed every step of the way until your items arrive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.